The world is changing, faster than ever before. Knowledge is exploding. Innovation is relentless. Every day, new discoveries are made and new technologies are developed that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, the pace of progress is staggering. To keep up, we need to understand the secrets of progress. We need to delve into the intricacies of these advancements, to grasp the underlying principles that drive them. This understanding is crucial, not just for scientists and engineers, but for everyone who wants to thrive in this rapidly evolving world. One of the most powerful tools? Reverse engineering. This technique allows us to deconstruct complex systems and devices to see how they work from the inside out. By taking things apart, we can uncover the hidden mechanisms and processes that make them function. It's the art of taking things apart. But it's more than just a technical skill, it's a mindset, a way of thinking that encourages curiosity and problem solving. It's about looking at the world with a critical eye, always asking questions and seeking answers, of understanding how they work. By dissecting these devices, we gain insights into their design and functionality. We learn about the materials and components used, the engineering principles applied, and the innovative solutions implemented. And then, using that knowledge to build something new, something better. This process of learning and improving is at the heart of innovation. It's how we take existing technologies and push them to new heights, creating more efficient, effective, and advanced solutions. Reverse engineering is about more than just gadgets and gizmos. It's a powerful tool for understanding the world around us. It allows us to break down complex systems, whether they're mechanical, electronic, or even biological, and see how they work at a fundamental level. It's about deciphering the world around us. From the smallest microchip to the vast expanse of space, reverse engineering helps us make sense of the intricate and often hidden workings of the universe. It gives us the tools to explore, understand, and ultimately, to innovate. From the smallest microchip to the vast expanse of space. This journey of discovery is not just about technology, it's about expanding our horizons, pushing the limits of our knowledge, and exploring new frontiers. It's about the thrill of discovery and the satisfaction of solving complex problems. It's a journey of discovery, a quest for knowledge that fuels innovation and shapes our future. As we continue to explore and understand the world around us, we open up new possibilities for progress and development. We pave the way for a future where technology and innovation drive positive change and improve our lives in ways we can only imagine. A quest for knowledge that fuels innovation and shapes our future. This relentless pursuit of understanding and improvement is what drives us forward. It's what inspires us to keep pushing the boundaries, to keep exploring and to keep innovating. Because in this ever-changing world, the only constant is progress. The roots of reverse engineering run deep, tracing back to the earliest days of human curiosity and innovation. For centuries, curious minds have sought to understand the world by taking it apart. Early examples abound, from ancient civilizations to medieval scholars. These pioneers laid the groundwork for modern science and technology. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Mayans meticulously studied the stars. They built elaborate calendars and star maps, striving to decode the mysteries of the cosmos, all by observing and deciphering the patterns of the cosmos. Their work laid the foundation for astronomy and navigation, influencing countless generations. The Renaissance witnessed a resurgence of this thirst for knowledge. Scholars and inventors of the time were driven by a relentless pursuit of understanding. Leonardo da Vinci, a true visionary, embodied this spirit. His work spanned art, science, and engineering, showcasing his insatiable curiosity. Through meticulous dissection and observation, he unraveled the mysteries of the human body. His anatomical studies were groundbreaking, revealing the intricate workings of muscles, bones, and organs. His anatomical drawings remain masterpieces to this day, admired for their accuracy and detail. They continue to inspire scientists and artists alike. Reverse engineering is a timeless pursuit. It has driven technological advancements throughout history, from the invention of the wheel to the development of complex machinery. It's about pushing the boundaries of knowledge, constantly seeking to improve and innovate. Modern scientists and engineers continue this tradition, using advanced tools and techniques to unlock new possibilities, and using that knowledge to shape our world. From towering skyscrapers to cutting-edge medical devices, the spirit of reverse engineering drives progress and fuels our quest for a better future. Why is reverse engineering so important? Because it unlocks the secrets of success. By studying existing products and processes, we gain invaluable insights. We learn from the successes of others. We identify their failures, avoiding costly mistakes. This knowledge empowers us to innovate. Reverse engineering is a catalyst for progress. It helps us improve existing technologies. It fuels the development of new ones. And it drives competition, leading to better products and services for everyone. It is a fundamental driver of human progress. The applications of reverse engineering are vast and varied. This powerful technique is not confined to a single industry or field. Instead, it spans across multiple domains, each benefiting uniquely from its capabilities. In manufacturing, companies use it to analyze competitors' products. By meticulously disassembling and studying these products, they can uncover the secrets behind their design and functionality. This knowledge allows them to innovate and create superior products that stand out in the market. They improve their own designs. Engineers and designers collaborate to refine and enhance their products, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and performance. This iterative process of improvement is crucial for staying competitive in a rapidly evolving market. They create replacement parts for obsolete equipment. When machinery becomes outdated, finding replacement parts can be a challenge. Reverse engineering provides a solution by enabling the creation of custom parts that keep these machines running smoothly, extending their lifespan, and reducing costs. In software development, it helps us understand complex code. By deconstructing software, developers can gain insights into its structure and functionality. This is particularly useful for identifying security vulnerabilities, ensuring that systems are robust and secure against potential threats. Build compatible software that expands the digital landscape. Developers can create new applications that seamlessly integrate with existing systems, enhancing functionality and user experience. This fosters innovation and drives the growth of the tech industry. But the reach of reverse engineering extends far beyond these fields. It is a versatile tool that finds applications in a wide range of scientific disciplines, each leveraging its potential to unlock new discoveries and advancements. Scientists use it to study biological systems. By reverse engineering biological structures, researchers can gain a deeper understanding of how living organisms function. This knowledge is crucial for developing new medical treatments and therapies that improve human health, to develop new drugs and therapies. The pharmaceutical industry relies on reverse engineering to analyze the molecular composition of drugs, leading to the creation of more effective and targeted treatments for various diseases. Archaeologists employ it to recreate ancient artifacts. By studying the remnants of past civilizations, they can reconstruct artifacts and gain insights into historical cultures and technologies. This helps us piece together the story of human history. Historians use it to piece together the story of our past. By analyzing historical documents and artifacts, they can uncover details about the lives and events that shaped our world. This enriches our understanding of history and its impact on the present. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, reverse engineering helps us understand the universe and our place within it. By deconstructing and analyzing the fundamental components of matter and the cosmos, scientists can unravel the mysteries of existence, leading to profound discoveries that shape our understanding of the universe. Section 5. The ethical crossroads, navigating the gray areas. With great power comes great responsibility. Reverse engineering is a powerful tool, but it must be used ethically and responsibly. There are legal considerations. Intellectual property rights must be respected. Patents and copyrights protect the work of innovators. We must navigate these waters carefully. Ethical dilemmas can also arise. The knowledge gained through reverse engineering should be used for good, not for malicious purposes. It's a delicate balance, one that requires careful consideration and a strong moral compass. Section 6. The future unfolds. AI, machine learning, and beyond. The future of reverse engineering is dazzling. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are poised to revolutionize the field. Imagine algorithms that can analyze complex systems in seconds, identifying patterns and generating insights beyond human capabilities. Advanced imaging techniques will allow us to delve deeper than ever before. Three-dimensional scanning and analysis will reveal the secrets hidden within objects. Virtual and augmented reality will create immersive experiences, allowing us to explore the inner workings of machines and organisms like never before. The possibilities are limitless. Section 7. Empowering innovation, one disassembly at a time. Reverse engineering is more than just a process, it's a mindset, a curiosity-driven approach to problem solving. It's about asking questions, taking things apart, figuring out how they work, and then using that knowledge to build something new, something innovative. This mindset is essential for progress. It's what drives innovation. It's what allows us to solve complex problems and create a better future. We must foster this spirit of inquiry, encourage exploration and experimentation, and empower the next generation of innovators. Section 8. The transformative power of reverse engineering. Reverse engineering has the power to transform our world. It can lead to breakthroughs in medicine, revolutionize manufacturing, and help us address some of the world's most pressing challenges: climate change, resource scarcity, and global health crises. By understanding how things work, we can make them better. We can create more efficient energy sources, develop sustainable technologies, and improve the lives of people around the world. The potential is immense. Section 9. A call to action. Embrace the reverse engineering revolution. The future is ours to create, and reverse engineering will play a vital role in shaping it. Let us embrace this powerful tool. Let us use it wisely, ethically, and with a commitment to progress. Let us explore, discover, and innovate. Together, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and build a brighter future for all. The journey starts with a single question: how does it work? Let's find out.